Hello my friends, it's Chris here and welcome to this video where I'm going to be sharing a technique to help you heal from and find relief from anxiety and an overactive nervous system. The key to healing from anxiety is to let it in. Let it come closer to you. Because anxiety, the overactive nervous system, gets its fuel from us not wanting to feel it. It's the no saying inside to our feelings which causes anxiety. So if we want to overcome it, if we want to heal, if we want to find relief, if we want to drop down away from this experience, then we have to let the feelings which we may have spent so long running away from, we have to let them come closer to us. And instead of running away, instead of trying to get rid of, we just gently welcome the experience of our body and everything that it holds, even fear or tension or tightness or trauma or emotion or whatever it is. We welcome everything within our body to come closer to us. Now, what does this mean? What it doesn't mean is that we think loads more anxious, fearful thoughts. It doesn't mean that we let the thoughts of anxiety just run rampant in our mind and pull us into all sorts of crap. But what it does mean is we allow our attention to spread ever so gently through the body. We touch in with the feelings of anxiety within the body. We welcome it closer to us. Now you have the power to consciously move your own attention. You do not have the power to control what thoughts come into your head. If you had the power to control the thoughts that come into your head, then just stop having negative thoughts that cause you suffering. We don't have that power. The thoughts happen of their own accord. But we do have the power over our own attention. If I say, place your attention in your right hand index finger, quite easily you can move attention to your right hand index finger. If I say, place attention within your tongue, attention naturally, effortlessly goes into the tongue. Now, one place that attention that doesn't like to go for somebody struggling with anxiety or an overactive nervous system is into the feelings of anxiety and within the body. The suffering caused by anxiety is caused by us escaping from it, getting away from it. Everything within us not wanting our attention to be within anxiety, because we think if our attention is really within the body, if our attention is really within the feelings in the body, we think that's going to overwhelm us, but that isn't what overwhelms us. What overwhelms us is when our attention is pushed into the thinking and the fear and the stories and the in the head. So in the same way that you placed attention in your right index finger, in the same way that you placed attention in your tongue, place attention within the whole body. allow attention to spread through the whole body. Feel the hands. You may feel a subtle sense of pins and needles within the hands, a subtle sense of warmth, a subtle energy within the hands. Feel the feet. You may feel a similar, although maybe slightly less vivid sensation within the feet. The legs, arms, belly, chest, neck, throat, jaw, head. Feeling the whole body, allowing attention to flood through the whole body. And maybe in doing that, if you are experiencing an overactive nervous system, if you are experiencing anxiety, in allowing your attention to gently fill the whole body, you will come across these points of anxiety or these points of tension within the body. And then you just breathe into them. You feel into them. You place attention within the feelings of discomfort and tension and agitation within the body. Another way of saying that is you allow the anxiety to come closer to you. You meet it. You become intimate with it. You merge with it. You feel it. Because it is the resistance to, it is the getting away from, it is the not wanting to feel the body which keeps us in this loop of suffering and which keeps the anxiety and the tension and the stress going. So what we have to do is we reverse that escape mechanism. And with our attention, we deeply fuse or merge with the body. And in doing that, we heal the split within. And we feel every cell. Feel every nook and cranny within the body. And we include the places that don't feel comfortable. The thinking can do whatever it wants to do. You can't control the thinking. You don't need to stop the thinking. You have one job, which is to feel the body. To be with the cells of the body, to be with the energies within the body. Emotion, say take the emotion of fear, it's just an energy, it's your life force energy contracted down in the body, and it's that contraction, that pressure of energy in the body which can create the suffering thinking in the mind. But when you bring attention into any contraction of emotion, any contracted energy which we call emotion, then our attention has this magical power to kind of dislodge and melt and merge with and almost dissolve those contractions of energy so that it can release and flow through you. But don't try to release anxiety. Don't try to release any of these contractions, because if you notice that there's one inside of you which is trying to release, the reason it's trying to release is because it does not want to feel it. And that is a no saying to yourself. And any no saying to yourself creates resistance and creates suffering. So all you have to do is feel. As Eckhart Tolle says, full attention equals full acceptance equals surrender. It's resistance which causes us our suffering. And the opposite of resistance is acceptance. So when you fully give your body your attention, full attention equals full acceptance, equals surrender. Another thing Eckhart Tolle said, which I heard when I was pretty young on the path, when I was struggling with intense panic and fear, he said, if you are struggling with fear, if you are struggling with anxiety, this is your opportunity for awakening. You've been blessed with a gift if you're interested in awakening. Because if you can come into the body, instead of going with the mind, the fearful mind, if you can come into the body instead and stay present, stay alert within the body, then quite naturally, without trying to, you go beyond the mind and you're put in touch with the vastness of being. And I really took that message to heart. I really believed that little German dude. And yeah, it worked. So, thank you for listening. Someone's knocking on my door. I will see you on the next video. Thank you.